Best free Cursor AI alternatives. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing about some of the best alternatives for the Cursor AI. So if you're also using Cursor AI, which is a code editor, so it's one of the best AI tools to out there right now to generate any websites at one go with single prompts or single design UI. So if you are for some reason not being able to afford the paid version of this Cursor AI, here are some of the best alternatives you can use as a Cursor AI. So at number one, we have Zed. So it's a high performance multiplayer code editor designed for seamless collaboration between human and AI. So it basically has a incorporated large language models into your workflow for code generation and transformation as well as analysis. So it has effective AI integration. So number two, we have Pythagora, a VS Code extension that uses AI to help developers plan, write, test, and deploy the full stack web applications with minimal code required. So you can basically use this option over here as well. So since it's an extension, it's more easy to download than the software itself. And another we have under the number third, Aider, a terminal-based code assistant that helps you write and modify, understand code through natural language conversations with AI models. So it's basically similar to ChatGPT, but this time it's more like you are talking to using a Linux system to operate with AI to transform your ideas into website. So you can also check out this link over here to check out other languages models or other alternatives such as Tabby, Continue, Void, etc. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.